Buthat langso Jatiya Vidyalaya along Sonthana Puthak Maikangni. KSA di Mahasau District Committee Pen International Championship Surihini Recruiter Cap Karate along gold medal Suniram Ingtiapan Karcho. Karbi Anglong Chamber of Commerce Maipu Agustin Kramsa Raikom Saiki Ahem Kangsam Kehondam. Kardom Ataba Birta Long Pen Elisami Velin Rong Parpi Non-Arjuikta Birtangton Pen Aryabhata Science Center Pen Patirpi Ponsi Preni Pai Krihini Arni Chinthong Block Kaparlo Buthat Langsu Jatiya Vidyalaya along Sonthana Puthak Kachapati Pedupon. Assam Science, Technology and Environment Council Akirap Kipi Penajok Aryabhata Science Center Chinthong Block Amaipu Joy Kumar Singh Hapen Maichari Ponsi Buthot Maike Phalam The and Parta Aluhi Kapachinia Sayangdeng Coordinator Daniel Hipen Jaipon.
All these three items, it was all based on science. So those students who got the first and second, they will be selected to participate in district level, and after they are qualified even in district level, they will be able to participate in state level. So it is a great opportunity for the school students especially that they should have the knowledge about science, and we are encouraging all the students. We have many facilities, hands-on tools and other sky watcher, that is telescope, and students can come and enjoy.
Bini Sonthan Aputhak Kachapati Dunji Apan Buthat Langso Angkang Kadukabe Home Crip High School Loka Charlie Klim Somar Bang Parohini Society Tongdun. Ada Porpai Cap Apor Buthat Langso Jatiya Vidyalaya SMC Amaipu Nityananda Goswami Pen Aryabhata Science Center Amaipu Joy Kumar Singh Pen Shirap Chitosi Lama Inturpon. Alang Lipen Sonthan Aputhak Kachapati Asai Kedeng Kithekdun Long Apot Lamthe Jaidun.
Adyabhatta Bigyan Committee Podjonnot Pratham Jatiya Vidyalayat আমি এনেকুৱা এটা অনুষ্ঠান বিচাৰিছিলোঁ আৰু আজি আমি সঁচাকৈ আমাৰ কাৰণে এটা সৌভাগ্যৰ দিন বুলি আমি ভাবিছোঁ। এই পতাকাখন উত্তোলনৰে আজি এই অনুষ্ঠানটোৰ শুভাৰম্ভ হ'ল বুলি মই ঘোষণা কৰিছোঁ।
Model exhibition Kachapati along Mun Hajarika Pen Borkiri Rong Piatum Pensi Kichengsia Nong E Chudengdun Aduntu Mumang Tiron Pipen Eli Ronar Claret Tiron Piatum Pen Certificate Chudengdun Halapu Arjan Kihi along Bidisa Laskar Kichengsia Nong E Aduntu Nong E Kareng Pangchupi Lapen Kethoma Nong E Robinson Tisuatum Chudengdun Kijutsi Chisik Sepin Pen Lamthe Kijay along Kichengsi Anong E Jogat Singh Ingtipen Nong E Tirang Atum Certificate Chudengdun Renti Lasolong Duar Amla MSc Prabhat Taro Nangchetongdun Si Sonthana Puthak Ansuse Kirung Ponji Lapen Aning Kapathe Alamthe Jai
Hagoror Tirot Punefon Hagor মই একটু নামটো পাহৰিছো আমি তো দেখতে ঝাৰুমৰা দেখিলো আৰু দেখতে আজি স্বচ্ছতাই সেৱা হে পৰিবেশ বজাৰৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি বিভিন্ন অনুষ্ঠান প্ৰতিষ্ঠান শিক্ষা অনুষ্ঠান সকলোতে আমি পৰিষ্কাৰ গতিকে 100% কৰাৰ আমি সবে চেষ্টা কৰিব লাগে আৰু কেইদিনমানৰ পাছত সজাগতা কৰাবলৈ কাৰণে আমি যথেষ্ট কাম কৰিছো মই নিজেও যথেষ্ট জায়গাত ঝাৰু মাৰিছো আমি কোনো মানে শ্ৰেষ্ঠ আৰু
Sonthana Puthak Resource Person Bahini Kachupapon Kulen Kalita Lapen Birandeka Atumpen Sonthana Puthak Manghumi Me Asiki Long Kacharli Klim Somar Atumapan Thanmum Ponsi Ingsamjin Pen Pajutpon. News Desk Report Karbiang Long Live. Malaysia Long Kapadupon International Championship Surihini Recruiter Kapalong Karate along gold medal Kachapalong Dun Suniram Ingtiapan KSA di Mahasau District Committee Pen Karcho Saiketeng. Di Mahasau District Umrongso along Preni Pai Cricket Home Arni KSA di Mahasau District Committee Akong Chunbang Dancing Tiron Pen Chepatir Piponsi Umrongso Bus Station along Chengpi Parmangsi gold medalist Suniram Ingtiapan Kangthum Karnia Saideng Pon. Chengpi Kithip Kaparmang Lapen Kangthum Karnidun Akorti Ingjiratum Aning Arong Pen Bom Kapang Popon Asi Arjulongsi Hitikulat Pen Anta Munit Nang Chetudun Petsi Ning Arong Chipidun Umrongso ahawar along gold medal ke wan abang phu abang phi ave pinlang puajok bangso kangthum karni along KSAD Mahasau District Committee penchenglong Karbi Suar Lomai Karbi Cultural Society Somindar Karbi Amai Amri Ronghang Karbi Hemphu Mukrang Risonim Sosong Karbi Students Boys Hostel Guwahati Lapen All Assam Gorkha Students Union atum setami ning arong ajepen kangthum karni along Chitongdun Suniram Ingti gold medalist aphan umrongso ahithi along pen alang lihem Borolang Layan Mensing Ronghi Mojadar Agari Ronghem So Pensi Kadukave Alir Alon Pen Thondun Lo Pusi Dhorom Singh Ronghang Pen Karbiang Long Life along Birtanang Pale Karbiang Long Angkang along Anong Kachithangklong Bihak Lembangpu Mati Karbiang Long Chamber of Commerce Maipu Augustine Kramsa Raikom Saiki Ahem Kang Samalong Kihondam Dipu Police Station angkang along 6 mile pen 10 mile arar atum along lealong Naga Sema atum pen longli ahem phuaphan Karju ave pin pen kether ke hapen longli cherai bor ilo lapen risim kangtang AK-47 KA-56 or Kraisi Army Asai kijutang abang phupu chikrongsi adung arai phuri chensi thekpon longlong Bangso Asai thekdun longsi thegri muchot arat atum Arjupon lo setami laki Indian Army atum nakatengkheng pen kachirai kom dunji aphan pusi thakdun pusi koiwan lo Bangsopi Sema Group along Karbiang Long Chamber of Commerce Amaipu Augustine Kramsa Amitang Agari Fort Endeavour Agari AS09F 8080 Rong Arara Tumaphan Ther Haptikang Lo Lasi Mithang Ahemarit Apiso Aso Aphan Kichirai Komji Aphan Raikom Nang Pinangji Pura Rong Arat Pen Karbiang Long SP Aphan Lo Pidam Lo Bangso alam hoy kipia tengpen kedam tang prini phaikri hini aningre mentila amithang ahem along pen Augustine Kramsa phan Raikom Saiki atum ingnang ponsi hem kangsam thapon lo Manja Police Station OC Ranjit Hazarika pen Bertanang Pachini Lapen case number 37/2019 under section 120B 446/387/109 IPC RW section 25 Arms Act ateng pen lam hoy pabonsi pini Dipu Judicial Court alongan pale Dipu pen digonto teron Karbiang Long Life School ahem kapathu along klam he hoi kapaching thordunji aphanpura Chief Minister Samagra Gramya Unayan Yojana askim pen Longnit High School kapathu aklam along non puanta saike klem angthek avelang Kangbai pontang ahum tina school aphan mate ihum hum askol aphan panongsi kidam tangjang mia chitro ni pioneer cap ani first phase apartment sikalak ner cap atangka account along thapilo laso tangka pen ajahak askol along penang an asai ke klem kidam angthek thekdun long setami kamang humi mi alama bangki Longnit High School pathua klam along non anta kiot edat ke manghudun mimi Kachini dun atengke laso school along Longnit Sports Association atum si Chaparideng bonta alang litung kiot edat bangke CEM Tuliram Ronghang ahin pen kapathuai hin kapaching thurji aphan amang keheman mati RD ki piponalong kapati kugdun asonsi mandetlo Dipu pen Sarjip Kathar Karbiang Long Life Pinyada babirta bangke lapan sikang toniklo dumit thakmi kardom